Why did the Scarecrow become a successful stockbroker?
Because he was scared of hay?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Ooh.
So this week the market's been absolutely boring. So the trade that I made last week was Under Armour. It has gone down over 15% in 1 week. So not very good timing on that one. Jill, I think yours did all right.
It did okay. It definitely, I feel a lot better now. It went down 3%.
Went up 3%.
Or up 3%, sorry. So it didn't do super well, but now knowing what his did, I feel a lot better.
Yep. And we're just going to go ahead and go into this week's trades just because market's done absolutely nothing in a week. So, Jill.
All right. Well, this week I decided that since Cody and I actually needed to buy a new email address and website and domain name and all of this, I put a little bit more money. I put my weekly coffee money into Godaddy, GDY. So
GDDY.
Oh, I'm sorry. GDDY. Godaddy.
I like it. It's pretty simple reasoning.
Yeah.
I actually did 2 trades this week. I went ahead and used my double shot this month for September. I don't think Jill's used hers yet, so now that she's aware of it, she's probably going to use it. But I used my double shot on buying more Bitcoin.
Oh.
So it's down since the first few times I bought it, but I like buying that when nobody cares about it and it keeps going lower. It's never served me wrong. The other trade that I made this week was just with the standard buy. I actually bought Oatly.
Why?
So Oatly's got contracts with Starbucks, and it's the oat milk.
I know what it is.
So because somebody bought me a Starbucks recently, and I saw that the bottle was oat milk. So it was the Oatly oat milk. So that was the trade that I made this week. So
your reasoning
is my
is
reason.
basically how I buy stocks.
And most every stock from like that era of IPOs during COVID in 2021 are just absolutely destroyed anyways. But I think it could possibly stick around. So we'll see. But at like 90 cents a share, it's not too bad for me. Other than that, I know that Jill actually was ahead this week. She actually crossed over the $2,500 mark. I'm still far behind. I think I'm actually now red again this year. It was over 13% on the year, so pretty impressive. We're going to go ahead and go into the question that we actually received this week. I'm going to let Jill go ahead and start first. What is our risk management for this experiment that we're doing, if any?
0.
0 for Jill. And for me, if it's going down like 50%, then I'll just cut the loss, which is pretty extreme, but when we're just dealing with coffee money, I kind of consider that to be my loss. So I feel like Jill pretty much just holds what she buys.
Unless it gives me a real reason to let it go.
And I gotta get absolutely smoked on a trade if it's only for like $25, $50, so that is what it is. But we'll catch you guys back next week. Hopefully the market wakes up, does some interesting stuff, because this week it didn't really do a whole lot, and that was pretty boring. So we'll see you guys back here next week.
Toodles.
Bye. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful stockbroker?
Because he was scared of hay.
It's because he was outstanding in his field. Oh, that fucked it up.
I couldn't help it.